In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate missing media in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're getting this warning message that some of your media is missing from your video, then what we'll need to do is go and relink this so it re-adds it back into our project. So to go and do this, we first need to right click on the video clip that we're having issues with, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on link media. Now that's going to pop up with this window that's going to identify all of your missing video clips. Uncheck this option where it says use media browser to locate files. Make sure relink others automatically is turned on and enabled. Then click on your first video clip and select locate. Now what you want to do is make sure that all of your missing video files are in the same folder, and that way when we come over to locate this missing video file, it's automatically going to locate all of the other missing files as well, as long as all of these missing clips are in the same folder. So this is my missing clip here. I'm going to double click on it like so, and just like that it has now been re-added, and any other missing clips should also automatically be re-added with it. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.